The nature of the black man, the nature of all men, is to multiply, not sexually. I mean, that's part of it. But, you know, that's so academic, you know what I mean? You don't have to have a PhD degree to do that kind of multiply. But when you say multiply, you have a multiplier, a multiplicand, and a product. God said multiply, replenish the earth. He's telling man, look at what I put in you. Look at what I put around you. You are the multiplier. This is the multiplicand. Now bring you up a product. That's the nature of man. He's to multiply. He's to be a producer. And in productivity, he finds expression for the gifts of God that are within his being. And in finding the gifts of God within his being by becoming productive, he then glorifies his creator. Man is the glory of God. But if man is not productive of good and of righteous civilization, what does he need a woman for? That's our problem. We want a woman, but we don't want to know how to produce. And you're taking fire into your bosom when you want a woman, but you don't want to know how to become productive. Because whether she understands it or not, she's looking for you to be productive. Her nature is to help you if you're doing something, but she can't help you to do nothing. So if you're doing nothing, don't bother with a woman, because you're taking fire into your bosom. She'll burn you in the night and burn you in the day. Come on, baby, light my fire. She'll light it all right. Because a non-productive man, I don't care how handsome you look, you become ugly to your mate.
Assalamu alaikum, family. I'd like to wish you all the best of peace, love, and happiness, and that you are inspired, motivated, uplifted, and enlightened from the viewing and sharing of this content. I'd furthermore like to invite you over to the Closing the Gap podcast every Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we discuss the profound book, Closing the Gap, interviews of the heart, mind, and spirit of the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan, a God in our midst. I thank you again for subscribing and hitting the like button as we push forward in the works of freedom, justice, and equality. Brother Camille, we are Farrakhan.